Hello guys, and welcome to my channel, the cryptonative. Guys, I will share with you how I am making about $50 per day just by using my mobile phone and an application on Play Store called Humaniq. How to start making online money just by using the Humaniq application on Play Store. First, you have to go down to Play Store. Okay, use your phone, go down to Play Store, search for Play Store and click. Yeah, go to the search bar right up here, the search bar up here, and type in Humaniq, Humaniq. Humaniq, you search for it. Okay, this is the app. Second, install the app, download and install the app on your phone. Okay guys, it's downloading. Third, after you have downloaded the app, create your password and uh, make a selfie. You create your password. After you have done it, guys, you're already in the app. You click on more, take a selfie of yourself and click on top of your profile image here. Okay, you click on top of your profile image here, right? Okay, you click there, you scroll down, then you click on enter your promo code, enter the promo code, right? Okay, in there you type in 40, you type in 45, 46, 17, then you validate. Okay, once you have validated it, then you go to the chat section, right? You click on invite a friend. You invite any friend of your type. You click here on invite a friend. You share it on your WhatsApp, your Facebook. In short, you choose from who you want to invite any person. You share with them. You send them the invitations. Okay, send them the invitations, right? Yeah, then once your friend receive the link and install the app on their phone, you follow up with the same procedure and enter the promo codes as you have seen in this video. Okay, for each of your friends you will invite, you will be receiving free Humaniq coins. That's how they make it, guys. Hope this video have helped you. Come back to me for any questions. Okay, thank you guys.